Everybody, make your best bowhold. And let's join Ella and Sophia for the wheels on the bus.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The money on the bus goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The money on the bus goes 3, 1, 2, 4. All through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes move on back, all through the town. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The daddy on the bus goes sit back down, sit back down, sit back down. The daddy on the bus goes sit back down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wee wee wee, wee wee wee, the babies on the bus go all through the town. The mamas on the bus go shh 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 shh. The mamas on the bus go shh shh shh, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Do it like you have a milk cap on the tip of your bow. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yeah, that was fun.
Parents and helpers, if you enjoyed this game, click the link below to find out more about my book of story games. See you soon.